Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we're back on the 289 engine rebuild, and today we're going to install the harmonic balancer. So if you've been following this build along here, we've been kind of building this from the ground up. Appreciate you being here. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, please go ahead and do so. It does help our channel, which helps us to produce more videos for you guys. So harmonic balancer is one of the simplest things on this engine to do, so this is going to be a nice, quick, easy video for you. Okay, so when you're putting on this balancer, you want to put a nice film of oil here on your spout or your snout. That way, when you put it in, this seal is nice and lubed. You can even put some oil on that as well, just to kind of make sure nothing's going on dry. So we'll just kind of dab your crank snout a little bit. Put some here on the balancer snout. You really want to make sure that seal is not dry. Okay, it only goes on one way. So it has a keyway right there. Your keyway I have pointed straight up. So you can kind of like rotate it and you can just kind of feel it kind of go right into place. I know they make specialty tools for this, but typically I just slowly tighten the bolt and she'll just kind of go right on. Okay, something that you want to pay attention to is that seal. You can see as I've started putting this in, that seal is rolling over. You want to catch that before you just throw it on there and send it. Okay, let's go ahead and just pull this back off and we'll try again. Okay, so the good thing is it looks like the seal is okay. So we caught it early enough before we get any kind of damage. Let's try that again. Well, this time the seal appears to be going in nice. So I'm not sure why it was rolling on us, but just one of those things you gotta watch out for. Okay, so eventually you're gonna be like installing this so far, and eventually like the engine just kind of starts to turn over, and that's when you need to kind of like get your holding tool on here and actually torque down, you know, the bolt. So I think we're getting close. Yep, see, now the engine's turning, so, but it's not fully installed yet and it's not fully torqued yet. So I have a universal crank holding tool, so just kind of get my ends on there and you can hold the crank in place. So now I can get my torque wrench on here and just kind of hold the crank in place as I take her down the rest of the way. The torque specification on this is going to be 90 foot-pounds. And there she is. Okay, well that's how to install the harmonic balancer. Pretty simple. Hope that was easy. Watch out for your seal. Torque down your bolt. Should be good to go. As always, appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.